Hi, let us understand how to read the form elements. That will get us the comfort on how to use the implicit objects as well. Let me go ahead and create a small HTML file. This is very similar to the initial HTML that we created to read the text input element. So I'm going to have two text input element, customer name and customer age, where the action, that is the form, will get submitted to another JSP. Already we had discussed JSP is very similar to a servlet. Once it is compiled, it will be like a servlet. So I will be in a position to submit the form to a JSP. So I'm going to have two input text element, customer name and customer age, which will get submitted to this specific JSP in the method of get. Let me go ahead and create this specific JSP. So within the JSP, I should be in a position to use the implicit object request and use the method get parameter of request and pass this specific element name and get the corresponding value. So I'm going to use the expression tag where I will be using the request object. Within the request object, I will be using the get parameter method and pass the parameter name, customer name and customer age. This will get the value of the text box that we are providing, and that will get converted into a string, and it will get embedded as a string within the HTML output stream. Let me provide meaningful title and execute this specific HTML. Right click, run on server. So the server is in the stopped state. The application will get deployed and it will bring in the specific HTML file. I do have the HTML and I do have two text boxes, customer name and age. Let me submit this specific HTML. It will get submitted to the JSP and the servlet will get generated, and that is going to provide the output. So we do have the name and the age that we had provided, and that is getting submitted in the method type of get. So I am able to see the value that I have submitted as a part of the URL. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to submit a form to a JSP and how to use the implicit object request and how to read the parameter using the method get parameter.